Every mama on Wednesday, when you go on social media, then mother say, "Nam se onye obola akuru ulo." We am going on Wednesday. We have a project in the 5 states, psychiatric home, Anambra Imo, Evang, Enugu, Abia, Imo State, Delta Igbo, River State. That there shall be no mad person walking on the street of Igbo land again. Anywhere we see them, we pick them. You know, I advise our people, no matter the investment you have outside, bring some to East, that it will make that area to develop. Our place cannot be like desert, because no work, everybody is running away from there. But if our people can be bringing some of their company home, when somebody graduates, they will see a place they are working. I know there is no seaport, no international airport, even though we are the highest traveling race in Africa. We understand what is happening, but we can still help ourselves and struggle and bring something home. Both Seraphic water, this space ever, hospital, everything I got in the East. Charity begins at home. And let me be honest with you, some people don't know Ebuka Obi. We are the prophet of end time. Don't be surprised. So many people hate me today because my ideology about the things of God is quite different. How can a man of God be preaching? Nobody should collect money. That the gift you receive is freely and freely you shall give. That he's not supposed to charge anybody money for consultation. That is sin. Do you think that all the men of God doing that were like me? The first assassin they sent to me to kill me was sent by pastors. And the same message. I am condemning Yahoo boys. Do you think they will like me? Most of all these people we see attacking us on street, they are all bad boys. Because they don't understand. We have a project in the 5 states right now. After that, if we finish building it, but somebody say he will build Anambra alone. Amen. And what are we building? We are building psychiatric home with a small hospital in each state. We are going to meet the host 5 state governors. That is a taboo in Agana Hina Hundara. That we are going to pick them. Most of them is frustration. And on that Wednesday, I praise our brother Innocent because of the motto he's producing in Igbo land, giving the people job. Amen and amen. And if our billionaires can be taking small things home, that place will be developing, because federal government will not develop that area for us. It's Igbo that will develop it. And no matter how many times we run away, home is home. You have American passport, America is not your home. You are in Lagos here, Lagos is not your home. You are in Kano, Kano is not your home. Your home with that place. And it will be our collective idea to make that place beautiful. That is what I said. So even when you are saying the truth, they will still have any reason to be fighting you. Man, they are cause. So that ideology enter their brain. You cannot insult the internal deity and go free. Anyway, Allah changa ka monkey sala banana. And whatever you believe will work for you. What I believe will work for me.